What's that? See them cherry tomatoes? We gotta pick them today, don't we? See, when you start to grow your own food, that's a start to your freedom. Actually, that is freedom. See, you start taking care of your plants, taking care of nature, nature take care of you. Now, you don't have to start off real big with a garden or even getting a whole bunch of plants. But what you can do is start off with something that you can manage and take care of. Like this is something small, see? You don't gotta be perfect. You see? You don't gotta be perfect when you first started out. But the goal in life is to improve your life. Therefore, you become perfect naturally without you even trying too hard. But yeah, this is what nature do for you. Take care of nature. Yeah, we started late, but the point is we started the energy to keep growing. So get back in nature. Love yourself, which is your nature, and have a beautiful day. Peace.